your connection will be connected to the server, and all of your files is uploading to the server from the source file going to public underline HTML. Over here you can see the file one by one it's copying to the server. Very important thing over here is that the speed of uploading usually it's 1 by 10 or sometime lesser than this. Then don't worry if it took too much time. For example, my website is only 2 megabytes, but for uploading this information on the host on the server it's take approximately 5 up to 10 minutes. So don't worry for uploading the speed. The very important thing is that over here you can see the process is going on. The code file and success transfer file will come here. Failed transfers files will come over here in this tab. But again, about this part, don't worry, because files will automatically, if any file transferring failed, just come to this part and try to send it again and again. So you can make sure that all of your file from hard disk completely and without any changes will go to the server this era. Okay, until finishing this process, let's explain something to you here. There are some structure and rules. Definitely the students or the people who uploaded before in any host or server knows that the file name and the folders should usually, especially the files, usually use the small letters. As you can see, all of the file name is in small letters. And a very important thing is about index.html. I see some of my friends name the file name index as home.html or myindex.html. Let I tell you something, the server automatically going to public underline HTML on your host and finding index.html to run the first page. So if you see that when you just put google.com, and you can see it's going directly to website of Google, the server will go to public underline HTML of google.com. After that it will look index.html. So the page that you see in google.com in reality is google.com/index.html, but no need to write it. Okay, that's right. This is one structure, that all of the file name and folder should be in small letters. Look, this is incorrect. This is incorrect. I should change it again. And the very important thing is that other structure is that for file name and folders we shouldn't use any space. Instead of space you can use underline. I think this is a better way. If you use a space, the server will create some trouble to find out your page. Sometime it's going to fatal error or any other errors. Okay, we just wait until finishing the transferring process. Maybe it takes some time. Oh, it's done. All of the files and folder from your hard disk completely copied on public HTML. You can see over here. And as I told you before, when you go to your website cgco.com or whatever URL that the website giving you before, it means this is your correct URL. You will receive on the mail, by the way. The server will go to public underline HTML and going directly to run index.html. Okay, that's all. Finish. If you want to change something over here, it's so easy. Just right click on it, come to delete or rename, or if you like to copy some file from some, for example, from this folder public underline HTML to other folder, just drag it and put it over here. File will copy, but right now I think the problem is that my connection has been disconnected. I will come to here. Okay, connection connected. Come to About Us, drag it and leave it. Okay, you can see in the article About Us had been copied. Or by the way, there is no option over here for cut and paste. The only way is like this. Other way is that drag from here and just leave over here. As you can see, About Us will remove from articles and it came again to public underline HTML. Okay, now if you go to website and just put your URL, so for example about my website, site11.com or whatever URL that you already taken, you can see your website. And sometime usually at night or evening in the time of Malaysia, you can see just for 2 up to 4 hours per day or sometime day by day, the administration of this website www.webhost.com will come and see the information of your website and check the uploaded pages. So it's out of access. You can see, for example, this alert, it's been given to me, but don't worry, after 2 hours it's going to your website directly. If you press just this, no need to put a /index.html, directly is going to your page. And very important thing, definitely you know all because you are a web designer, is that all of your address in your page for any hyperlink or loading any pictures or flash files from the folder should be in a structure of dot slash, for example, image slash header dot gif. This structure should be like this. What's the meaning of this double dot slash? The meaning of this double dot slash, it means the root file. It means if, for example, you're using a picture over here, the address of this picture on your design should be like this: double dot slash image slash header dot gif, or whatever. Maybe it's in the root. It will be like this. But I want to make attention for you that all of the hyperlink and any picture or animation that you are using on your website should be in format of dot dot slash. And the meaning of this dot dot slash is that server, go to public underline HTML and then find out whatever it's over here. For example, header.gif. In public underline HTML, you find out header.gif, or you just go directly to image slash header.gif or whatever like this. Okay, good luck guys. I hope that this tutorial will be usable for all of you and upload easily your website in the internet. If you face any problem in this website www.webhost.com, just search in Google free web host. You can see so many web hosts giving such a free services to you for temporary usage, and as you can see, most of them has such a problem. For example, 2 hours or 4 hours a day or day by day, your website will be down for some checking or whatever like this, to just motivate you to pay and purchase account. Okay, good luck.